Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Throw Blanket Basket is probably one of the most versatile and stylish additions you can make to your living room, offering a practical solution for keeping your cozy throws neatly organized while simultaneously enhancing your home's aesthetic appeal. Imagine effortlessly tidying up your space, transforming clutter into a chic display, and always having your favorite blanket within easy reach for those spontaneous moments of relaxation or warmth. This isn't just about storage, it's about elevating your living environment with a functional piece that seamlessly blends into your decor, making your home both more inviting and impeccably organized. Number 5. Goodpick 15.8 Cotton Rope Blanket Basket. Introducing our generously sized basket, perfect for keeping your blankets, toys, and essentials neatly organized. Its large capacity makes tidying up effortless. Crafted from soft cotton rope, this basket is gentle to the touch and safe for all your belongings. You can store items with peace of mind, knowing it's made with care. Enhance your living space with this stylish and functional basket. It seamlessly blends into any decor, adding a touch of warmth and organization to your nursery or living room. Keep your cozy blankets and children's toys tidy and accessible. This basket is designed to hold a substantial amount, making it a practical addition to any family home. Enjoy the convenience of a durable yet lightweight design. It's easy to move around your home, providing a sturdy storage option that doesn't compromise on portability. Add a touch of elegance to your nursery with this beautifully designed basket. It's perfect for storing baby essentials, keeping your space clutter-free and chic. What we like. This basket is crafted from soft cotton rope, making it safe for nurseries and gentle on your belongings. Its generous size can hold plenty of blankets or toys. If you're looking for a safe and soft storage solution for a baby's room or a cozy living space, this is a great choice. What people say. Great size. I have blankets in this basket for our living room and it fit one heated blanket, 2 hooded blankets and an extra large fleece blanket. I still have room for more things. It's very roomy. The built-in handles are wonderful. Easy for me to grab and move the basket around or pull out from under our end table. Not heavy at all. Very sturdy yet flexible. This one moved into shape very quickly immediately as I worked it, no lumps or bumps but still the nice natural softness and earthy colors. Note, both of them are bigger than I expected, which is great for my purposes, they hold so much. Number 4. OIAHOMY 80L Gradient Yellow Laundry Basket. Discover a laundry basket crafted from natural, healthy materials. It's safe for everyone in your home, with no sharp edges or unpleasant smells, making it perfect for any room. This oversized basket easily holds a week's worth of laundry for your family. It's ideal for storing bulky items like blankets and pillows, keeping your living space tidy. Built to last, this hamper features double reinforced handles with fine stitching for superior wear resistance. Carry heavy loads with confidence, knowing they are designed to stay secure. Enjoy a soft touch that's still sturdy enough to stand on its own. It's gentle on your floors and conveniently collapsible for easy storage when not in use. Keeping it fresh is simple. This basket is washable by hand or machine, and it quickly regains its shape. Ironing is also an option to remove any shipping creases. Add a touch of style to your home with its beautiful gradient yellow design. It's a decorative piece that also serves a practical purpose. What we like. Made from natural, healthy materials with no harsh chemicals, this basket is safe for everyone, including kids and pets. Its oversized capacity is perfect for a week's worth of laundry or bulky items like blankets. If you need a large, durable, and safe storage solution for your family's needs, this is the one to consider. What people say. Sturdy holds its shape and doesn't get floppy. Attractive colors and weave. I was able to fit several of my throw pillows and a throw blanket into the 80L size, and it looks very cute in my space. Great quality. The color is nice and more importantly the size is great. Not so big that if you fill it, it is cumbersome to carry. The handles are built in and the whole thing seems very sturdy. Number 3. Mkono Woven Storage Basket with Wooden Beads. Introducing a beautifully crafted woven storage basket, perfect for organizing your home. Its natural jute and wooden bead accents add a touch of rustic elegance to any room. This versatile basket is ideal for storing blankets, toys, clothes, shoes, and even plants. Its generous size makes it a perfect fit for your living room, bedroom, or bathroom. Featuring a unique design with jute string, wooden bead decor, and sturdy handles, it effortlessly blends minimalistic and rustic styles. The cloth lining ensures your items stay clean. Beyond storage, it doubles as a stylish planter cover, adding modern flair to your favorite plants and enhancing your home's aesthetic. This decorative basket makes a thoughtful gift for housewarmings, Valentine's Day, or any special occasion. It's a practical and adorable addition to any home. Handcrafted from natural jute rope and wood beads, this basket is both durable and eco-friendly. Its natural fibers may have slight variations, adding to its unique charm. What we like. This basket stands out with its unique jute and wood bead decoration, adding a touch of rustic elegance to your home. The lined interior prevents snagging, and it's versatile enough for blankets, toys, or even as a plant pot cover. If you appreciate stylish, multifunctional decor and want to add a bohemian flair to your living space, this is an excellent option. What people say. This basket is large enough to hold multiple blankets and looks great in my living room. The woven design is beautiful and it feels very sturdy. It's a perfect size for storing my throws. I love how this basket keeps my blankets organized and adds a decorative touch to my space. Number 2. KAKAMAY Large Woven Storage Basket. Crafted from 100% natural cotton rope, this basket is free from harsh chemicals, making it a soft and safe choice for your family, including kids and pets. It's designed to be durable and maintain its shape. With its large dimensions, it's perfect for storing blankets, pillows, toys, or laundry. Keep your living space tidy and organized with this versatile storage solution. This decorative basket offers a stylish alternative to clutter. Its subtle colors and woven design complement any home decor, adding a touch of beauty to your organization. It's soft yet sturdy, ensuring no scratches while accommodating baby clothes and toys. This basket is built to last for years, with strong rope construction that won't fray or fall apart. The basket is washable by hand or machine. Simply air dry or use a delicate cycle in the dryer. Any creases from shipping can be easily removed by ironing. It arrives folded but quickly regains its shape when filled. Stuff it with blankets or towels to smooth out any wrinkles for immediate use. What we like. Crafted from 100% natural cotton, this basket is soft, safe for children and pets, and incredibly durable. Its large capacity makes it ideal for storing blankets, pillows, or toys, keeping your living space tidy. If you prioritize natural materials, ample storage, and easy maintenance, this basket is a fantastic choice for your home. What people say. It's roomy, sturdy, and looks great in my living room. Holds multiple blankets or pillows, but also works perfectly as a laundry hamper or toy chest. The cotton rope is thick yet soft, and the neutral design fits anywhere. Very well made with excellent material. I love the sturdiness of the material. The size is great for using as a laundry basket. Elevates the look of the room too. This basket is a mix of lightweight and heavy duty. The baskets and handles feel sturdy. These are durable, attractive, they can fold for storage or stand proud full or empty. Plus, they are lightweight enough to carry around the house and they aren't brittle plastic. Number 1. SONGMICS Woven Storage Basket URST 76WG. This storage basket comes with a lid that opens easily with one hand. It conveniently contains laundry and helps keep unpleasant odors and dust away. The sturdy liner is made from thick polycotton fabric. It's also removable, making it simple to hand or machine wash for easy cleaning. With a large 42.3-gallon capacity, this bin is perfect for blankets by the sofa, laundry in the bedroom, or off-season clothes in the closet. Crafted from breathable, waterproof rattan, it keeps clothes dry. The robust metal frame ensures it can hold up to 66 pounds. Cutout handles make it easy to carry. Plus, its foldable design allows for convenient storage when not in use. What we like. This storage basket features a convenient lid to keep odors and dust at bay, making it ideal for laundry or storing blankets. Its sturdy metal frame ensures durability, and the removable liner makes cleaning a breeze. If you're looking for a robust, contained storage solution that keeps your items fresh and your space tidy, this is the perfect fit. What people say. With a whopping 42.3-gallon, 160L capacity, this storage basket can accommodate a multitude of items, from blankets and pillows to toys and seasonal clothing. The storage basket is very easy to assemble. It comes with the needed tools and extra accessories like plastic knobs to screw into the bottom, making the basket easy to move around. I really love that it includes a lid and a linen liner. It is also well made and sturdy. Sturdy and easy to assemble. Looks almost exactly like real wicker. You really can't tell the difference from a foot away. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.